Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero. We're on another mold remediation job, and we are at the cleaning and disinfecting stage. And we are using BioS heavy duty cleaner and degreaser for the mild detergent, as we want to clean the surfaces before we apply our antimicrobial, which we also use BioS's line. This is a fantastic product. We get great PRVs, post remediation verifications, that pass all the time due to the products that we're using and in the methods in which we are using them. So by foaming the product, we're able to get all the dwell time that we actually need to make sure that the product's doing exactly as it's intended. We're getting these surfaces clean and dry, and then we're getting the antimicrobial to kill anything that's left over, and also leave a coating behind that prevents the fungal growth from reoccurring after we're finished the remediation. So again, BioS, super awesome products. But if you guys have mold in your house and you are looking for a remediation contractor, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077 or on a toll-free number 1-888-940-HERO. That's 1-888-940-HERO, and we can make sure that you get a proper remediation done the first time, and that we're very competitive in cost against other remediation companies because we are very efficient at what we do. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, please give us a like. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and share. Drop any comments that you may have. We'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.